confirmation rumor of officer's death sparks panic. Truth brings relief in Agago. Agago district was thrown into confusion and panic after a Facebook post claimed that Second Lieutenant Oscar Okot, a well-known youth leader and administrator of the Voice of Agago WhatsApp group, had died. The unverified message was posted on Wednesday evening. Simply read, "Is no more. Can someone from Agago confirm this?" Within minutes, the post spread widely across social media platforms, causing alarm among community members and friends of the young officer. Messages of grief and disbelief flooded some online spaces as many tried to confirm whether the report was true. Lieutenant Okot, a respected figure in Agago's civic and youth affairs, has been known for his active role in promoting dialogue and political awareness through digital forums. For many in the district, the rumor of his death was more than just sad news. It felt like a collective loss. However, amid the spreading panic, some individuals began to investigate the claim, seeking direct confirmation from reliable sources. Community members and close associates worked urgently to verify the report, contacting him direct. The truth, when it finally surfaced, came not through an official army statement or press release, but through a simple message typed directly by the man whose death had just been declared online. "Guy, I'm not the one. Stupid. I'm alive, bro," Lieutenant Okot wrote in a message that quickly gets people's attention. His words immediately dispelled the fear that had gripped Agago, really swept through spaces that he has been channels as the news of his survival spread just as fast as the initial rumor. The incident highlights the growing danger of misinformation on social media, especially when unverified claims concern matters of life and death. Leaders should now call for greater responsibility in sharing sensitive information online. As the digital dust settled, one fact remained clear: Okot Oscar is alive. His brief but powerful confirmation turned what began as a tragedy into a lesson about the power and peril of instant communication.